China. This is what I got. And this one is the one I bought from Houston. So how to test if the mask works or not. So you put mask on, and then you light a lighter, then you blow it. So this one I got from Houston, the fire will not go off. Now watch the one I got from China.